welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be unboxing and demoing for you this transparent TPU case by Humixx. This is for the Galaxy S22 Ultra phone. So let's open it up here and take a look. And all wrapped up nice and neat to keep it safe. And there you go. It is transparent. It is TPU, so nice, soft TPU case, but completely transparent, non-yellowing material. Let's give it the crystal clear test. I'm going to hold it all the way up to my camera lens and then take a look at my hand through the case, and you can see my hand clearly. No issues at all. That is just how clear this case is. A very clear case, so that the beauty of your Galaxy S22 Ultra phone can shine through. Now let's look at some of the features of the design. You can see here the way it's designed to work in conjunction with the display of the S22 and those nice curved edge screens that Samsung puts on those. It will accommodate those appropriately. Looking at the bottom, you've got all the right cutouts you need for the phone. Looking at the back, you've got a slight raised lip over the camera area so that all your camera lenses will be nice and protected. And then looking at the top, you've got the right cutout right there. And then on the front, you've got a slight, I don't know if you can see it, but a slight edge cutout at the top there. I believe that's where the speaker is going to be on that phone. So it's got all the things that you need. Buttons are covered right there. You can see you've got nice buttons. This is a very thin case. It's a very thin, slim TPU case. This is meant to give you protection without giving you a lot of extra bulk. Now look at the corners here. You'll see you've got just a little bit extra edge right there in the corner just to give you protection on the corners. It's not like a really thick thing. It's just a little bit of an extra edge on the corners, because obviously the corners are definitely a place where you want to be protected. So it's a very thin, very lightweight, simple case. Allows the natural beauty of the phone to shine through, but gives you protection from scratches, and then also has the raised lip and the just slightly thicker corners just to give you a little extra protection in case of drops. But a great case by Humixx. Again, it's got a very good grip to it, very grippy with that TPU material, very easy on and off. It's not going to add a lot of bulk to your phone, but it will offer protection and allow it to look beautiful just like the S22 Ultra does. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to favorite this playlist or subscribe to my channel to keep up with future product reviews. And if you have any questions, post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.